How's it going, everyone? It is the video you guys all want to see, and that is BCAN. It's one of my favorite trades for penny stocks, but I do want to be very cautious. I want to be very upfront with you guys. I don't want to just be a pumper on YouTube for no reason and just say bye, 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 and not give you guys honest and realistic truth, right? So this is BCAN. This is going to be the daily chart. This is one of the best swing trading strategies you will ever see. It took me years to develop, and it is a profitable strategy that can make you a full-time trader. Before I get right into the video and the juice and the meats and potatoes here, guys, do keep in mind, if you want to be part of one of the greatest communities for an all-time low cost of only $6 a month, that will make you a profitable trader, and that's a guarantee, or you can cancel no problemo. But I promise you, if you join this Discord, you are going to be profitable only if you do what I tell you to do. You watch the education, and watching this video, I'm going to give you a jump start, right? I'm going to put that Discord link into the YouTube comments and in my description. You can join that through there. But let me show you guys my update on BCAN, what I see, what's going on, where can we make money, where's our entry, and what to do with this chart. So one thing's first, I'm loving what I see here on time distance. And let me go over all these bands for the new people who haven't watched, for the premium subscribers who are watching. You're just getting a lot of information, and you're just going to understand it faster and faster the more you watch this stuff. So I'm counting this as a touch here. We have close enough to a touch on the EMA 10, this yellow band here. When price touches it, the algos do their mission, and that is called time distance. So we have our touch there, and then when it makes its way from it, this would be your first day of time distance. The bottom band is colored green because that is a buy zone. It doesn't mean you get in right away. There's a reason why. I'm using 3 indicators to correlate to one of the best buying opportunities, so you're not just randomly guessing. So from this yellow band, the EMA 10, we have 1 day here, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have a whole week, and this is how you do it. Every 5 days or in a week. So this would be 5 days we haven't touched the EMA 10. And this is what I call time distance. It's the most important thing because price will hit this EMA 10. And it will hit the EMA 20, which is this blue band. And I'm going to talk further about it because this is the big, big move you guys could get on this stock. So we have 1 week here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2 weeks here. I look for an entry 2 to 3 weeks, and it has to meet my criteria. So we saw the reverse split right here, 1 for 190. I was like, that is massive. I am going to wait 3 weeks for a trade on this one because it had a big reverse split. If I don't get in, I don't get in. So I wait 3 weeks. Right around here was your 3-week mark. And remember, if price does not touch the EMA 10 in 1 month, that is extremely long. And that's what we're getting right here. You see this? We have a touch right up in here on 311. And guess what? The algos touched the EMA 10 at 417. That is extremely long. And that's when I knew you guys are going to get a nice freaking pump. And I want to be in that. So I enter the trade right in here at the lower band. And guess what also correlates? The third indicator is your KDJ. This line right in here. This will avoid a lot of false signals. And this one alone will help you to be like, if the K is at 20, why are you getting in the trade? The K needs to be under 4 for penny stocks. At least under 5 at least. Look what this K was at, this candle right here. 3.89. I'm buying big on this candle. And a lot of people, it went down 20%, and people would be like, man, this thing's, done for it. It's not done for it because I know it's going to hit the EMA 10. I'm going to buy big because it's at the lower band. So the ATRs are freaking massive. And thirdly, there's massive time distance from this area all the way up to this EMA 10. But I didn't need all that thing. I took a nice 30% gain right here. Price wanted to go lower. This was your next entry. Because one, when you get so close to the lower band and there's a massive time distance over a month, guess what happens here, guys? You just straight up 13%, another 28%, another almost 40% gain. Actually way more, 65 to 120. almost close to 100% right in there if you caught the lows there. But that's what I'm saying. You want to make sure you're using time distance with my lower band, your ATRs, so you know when to buy. You don't want to just keep buying candles and candles and candles. Because if you didn't know this strategy, I guarantee you guys bought up in here in $1 range, 1.40. Maybe, I know a lot, worst case scenario, I know people that bought in the $4. The minute this thing went down on the first move, you're not looking at time distance, so you probably just bought it right here. You're not seeing the K on the KDJ. And yeah, a lot of people were bag holding big on this. But for my Discord members, we are not going to bag hold. We're going to stick to a system with no bias. I don't care what press release they might have. We're going to stick to what works. If we miss a trade, we move to another trade. And so right here, what's the positive thing is we had the EMA 10. But, you know, I was telling everyone this is going to drop. You know, there's a high chance this could drop right here because the algos did their mission. What I see a lot of the times is a drop, maybe closer to the lower band. But I do think there's a strong chance it bounces like right in this area, though. And guess what? We had this massive room to the EMA 20, which is 3.20. This right here is going to be your home run hit. Could we get a press release and hit it? Absolutely. I see this getting hit very soon. So I said anything that don't hit the EMA 10 is 1 month very long. You always double it for each EMA that goes up. So EMA 20 would be 2 months as long. We are going on from 419. Let's see what this is. So we have 311 to 419. I don't think we're going to hit this EMA 20, in my opinion, 2 to 3 weeks. So hopefully when this thing scatters down, because it is going to fluctuate, it's going down, I can see this going to $2, this stock. There is not, I don't think that's a crazy price target or crazy price prediction. When this scales down, I can see this 1.50 to $2 easy. And with this low float, high short interest, we can absolutely do that. But you want to make sure you're just not randomly buying. We know the EMA 10 is what the algos got to do. They did their mission to a T. Nobody could perfectly do this but algos. That is what the institutions are doing. And if you didn't see this, you would have not have known to sell here. I was telling everyone, sell your shares. Let's get into another dip or entry. And this is what we're getting right in here. Would I buy right in here? I would want to wait for the K is at 41. Let's wait for that K to at least be under 10. Like right in here, this was 11, 8 right here, and then 11. Let's get this a lower K, and then we'll work our way to the EMA 20, which is going to be our big home run hit. This stock could very easily do it, but like I say, guys, we need to give this time distance for the EMA 20, 2 months for EMA 20, and we're just restarting EMA 10. When it goes and touches your EMA 10, that restarts it, and then guess what? We have 2 days now on time distance on EMA 10, but the EMA 20, it has to hit too. The algos know that, and this can very well hit that. So these are the targets. We have 3.20 for our home run hit. Realistically, I think $2 is where that's going to fluctuate. $1.50 to 2. So do keep that in mind. And honestly, guys, join the premium Discord. You would not be in this mess if you're way above $2, if you have $4. This is just how penny stocks work. They go down, they have big drops. They lure in retail traders. It's down 50%, so everyone buys it. Then it goes down another 50%, and you just double down, and it's a disaster. You want to make sure you're pinpointing precise entries. This is a realistic video. I'm not trying to pump, but I want to be practical with you guys, because what I'm showing you is exactly how every stock works. And you want to make sure you change your habits, and once you get out of this trade, you learn from it. So join the premium Discord. It's going to be down into the YouTube comments below and in my description. I'll pin it in my YouTube comments. It'll say join the premium Discord for my alerts and system. And when you click that link, it'll take you to this free chat landing page. What you want to do, if you're new to Discord, be aware to avoid scammers. If anybody messages you, block it, report it, because I never message anyone first. This is how to subscribe. Basically, if you want to subscribe, is go onto the subscriptions channel, hit premium chat. When you do that, it will opt you to subscribe for only $6 a month. And if you do it on a computer, you avoid the iOS fee. That will charge you $1 or $2. So it is cheaper if you do it on a computer, but I made it so cheap that anybody can dip their toes in this strategy, learn it, And with my help, you will be a profitable trader. I give out my exact entries and exits. There's nothing to hide. I gave out my BCAN entry and exit and made well over 30%. That right there, if you're trading with thousands of dollars, $6 is nothing for you guys. And this is right here is just, putting the education in. If you're willing to put in a little bit of money to learn, I know you're going to be a serious trader. We have day trade alerts right in here from the best in the world, brainstorms alerts, and then education videos to get your chart to look like this. I'm going to work and have live education sessions with you guys to make sure your chart looks like this and you understand how the charting works. There's no bias. It's not about my opinion. It's about what the system says, and that's what we're doing, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Join the premium Discord for sure, and give this video a like, subscribe, and comment, and tell me what your average is. I don't care, but do try to engage with the video because it helps YouTube share to other retail traders just like you that are looking for reversals and to make sure you do not bag hold. So I do appreciate that. If you do give it a like, it helps me make more videos. And I think we have a runner, guys. It's not yet dead. I know this thing can easily pump because there's a lot of room to the EMA 20, and I'm loving this next distance we can get over. We got to get past this EMA 10 and make sure we get right in this region here. But this time, do not be greedy. If you didn't sell out the EMA 10, make sure you take your profits when you have it, and make sure you also get in closer to the lower band with a low K and time distance, and you will be fine on penny stocks. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Subscribe, like the video, and join the premium Discord for the best alerts. Peace out.